Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine. Okay, I'm doing well and enjoying the life with their sweet family and sweet friends like me. I'm also good, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today my focus is very prettiest and very perfect ideas, cutest ideas and stylish ideas, crochet neck warmer designs and newly designs, newly ideas. So please keep watching my video and keep supporting my channel. It's all our amazing and fantastic ideas, cutest and stylish ideas, top trendy, top fantastic ideas. So please, if you are watching first time my video, then I must suggest you must watch my video till the end. It's all our amazing and fantastic ideas and cutest ideas and stylish ideas, top trending fashion, top trending video, newly uploading designs and new arrivals, new launched crochet neck warmer. It's fantastic and stylish neck warmer designs. So do support my all videos with their family and friends. So guys, your views and your comments too important for me and for my channel. And for my success. So please view me till the end. Watch my video, every video till the end, and you can buy AliExpress these beautiful neck warmer. And you can wear any function, mostly winter function ideas. It's amazing and fantastic ideas and stylish ideas and cutest ideas, crochet neck warmer designs, different styles, different designs and different color ideas, crochet neck warmer, different color like light color, dark color, color contrast, color combination is too much attractive and eye-catching. When you wear, you look like a beautiful girl, like modern. Mostly every celebrity are like these beautiful designs. So please like, comment and don't forget sharing these video with your family and friends. Now we have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching.